I'm in the bush today looking for Waratahs. A month ago, I found a number in bud. They should just about be ready in full bloom now. Let's go and have a look. I chose Waratah for the logo of the Australian Bushflower Essences because of its tremendous strength, courage and instilling faith. I love this flower. It's such a powerful one. When you see it in the bush, it just stops you in your tracks. I can certainly understand why for the Aborigines it was their highest flower. Well, our Waratahs are now in flower and they're real beauties. Let's go and have a look at them. They've got this beautiful heart shape and it's very much working at that heart level, giving strength, giving courage, it's for faith. We tend to use this flower for black night of the soul, despair, someone's feeling totally hopeless. It's a very deep acting, powerful remedy. Now you don't want someone staying in that state for very long, and we normally give a remedy for an emotional state for about 2 weeks. But if you've got Waratah and someone who's feeling that despair, that black night of the soul, Waratah will work very quickly. Just a few days enough to bring them back. It's probably the most famous Australian flower. A friend of mine, Eric Pelham, in his work with the Davic realm, was told that there are 5 master flowers on the planet, and the Waratah is one of those. Not surprisingly, really.